Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to add your own music to TikTok. First of all, we open TikTok. So, click on TikTok, and TikTok will be open in front of you. Once it's open, click on that plus icon, and a new format will be open. Once the new format is open in front of you, here we will just create a video like that. I am creating. After creating a video, go to the upper side of your mobile screen, and here you will see a button of Add Music. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open from the bottom of your mobile screen. Here you can see we can easily add music to TikTok in this video. But, if we wanted to add our own music, for this, just go to the right top corner of that format, and you will see a button of search. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, come to here, and here you will see a button of your sound. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will be open. In this format, we can choose a music which is available in our device. So, let's select your music, and then click on that tick icon. After clicking, a new format will be open from the bottom, and you can see your music has been selected. For adjusting that music, click on that season icon. After clicking, a new format will open. Here you can adjust the volume according to your video. After adjusting the music, go to the bottom of your mobile screen, and click on that tick icon. After clicking, a new format will be open. We will just close this format. After closing that, kind of format will be open. In this format, we will just click on that tick icon. After clicking, your video will be posted to TikTok. That's the way to add your own music to TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.